Hi, it's MBR Ghost here. We're gonna do, well, I'm gonna ride my ripstick, he's gonna follow me around. And we're gonna try to get off this sidewalk. Okay. Fine. Guys, let's go. Shit. Actually, this is going to be quite a challenge for me. Bobby's taking a shot, but... Please, go back. Oh, fuck.